All right, today we're visiting Roebling, which is famous for making the cable for the Brooklyn Bridge, the Golden Gate Bridge, parts for Amelia Earhart's plane. They're having a car show today. It's $5 a head to come in, but all the money goes to the museum. It's not for the car show. You have free admission to the museum also. They have fire apparatus here. We're going to check them out. We got Burlington Fire Department here. This is our first one that Dash is visiting. Come here, boy. You want to stand up? Get to those. All right. I'm going to cruise down and check out some of the other trucks. Visit some of our local heroes. Even the pretty ones. There we go. Oh, he went right for you. Look at that. See that?
The dog's a good judge of character, guys. You see that?
Here you go.
Thank you.
We're on YouTube. That's Dash and Dash's channel on the back. Just scan it.
Oh, the dog knows where the bagels are.
There you go. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Yes, you can. He's very friendly. There you go, Dad. That's our YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe. You'll see your kids on there now.
Do you guys want coloring books before you
Hey, you want to say hi? Oop. Going over to check out the fire trucks. All right, here we got an old Mack. Make sure you check out the Mack logo on the front. They got him dressed as a fireman. It's pretty cool. We'll go around the back and check out the rest. We got an old International back here.
No, it's hiding.
This is, they call it the Grasshopper out of Township of Delanco. It's kind of cool little small pumper. Guessing this is late 60s, early 70s probably. Dash is getting up. Getting ready to work the pump handles there, boy? All right.
What's that over there? That looks older. Bordentown.
Bordentown's big pumper. They're always ready. And then we got Consolidated Fire Association, Bordentown, New Jersey. This is an old Mack. Come here, Dash. Let's check out the pump handles.
Oh.
Sit. Get a good pose there, huh? Right. What's that? I tell you what, you got a long line on that. He's been down in the Wildwood show. He rode on the trucks and the parades and everything. He's just coming up on 2 years old, and yeah, he's been on more fire trucks than a lot of firemen. The oldest, I think, was what, 1928?
I think it was a 23, actually.
23 that actually ran. All right, now we're going to start enjoying the car show. It looks like Davis Honda is a sponsor of this year's show. So they got a bunch of their cars here. And then if you look up there, you got the Roebling Museum. We'll go take a quick walk in that later. I don't think Dash will be able to go in. So we'll just do our thing out here first.
All right, so it looks like
it's a little bit of wind today. It's not too hot.
Yeah.
They had some food vendors here, so you're not going to go hungry. And a lot of cars. And so we'll just do our thing out here first.
All right, so it looks like
it's a little bit of wind today. It's not too hot.
yeah.
They had some food vendors here, so you're not going to go hungry. And a lot of cars. Now, what's famous about Roebling here is
It's breaking because the wind's too much.
here in Roebling, what it's famous for was back in the day in the early I want to say 1911 and 1918. they made a car, and it was the fastest runabout of the era called the Mercer. The last couple times I've been here, they have had 1 or 2 Mercers here. I hope there's one here today that I could share with you. It's a really cool runabout. It's back in the day of good old Henry Ford Model A's. So here over here we have a nice old Good Humor truck. This is a 1969, 70, I'm going to say. What year is she?
69.
69. So I was dead on pretty much. It's an original truck.
Yes, sir. Is this your business? Yes, sir. Oh, I know Dave. You know, up north.
And they do sell ice cream. It's H&S Ice Cream. Phone number is 646-529-4711. And he does sell ice cream. We got a little shot with Dash over here with her. Come here, Dash. Turn around, sit. 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 Come on, sit. Look at Dakota. A little Good Humor. Truck kind of matches you, right? Check out the license plate topper. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Niagara Falls. So this is your phone number I read off, right? All right. We have a channel with YouTube, so I'm going to share a card with you.
Oh, okay.
So you'll be honored with your truck.
Beautiful.
You have a great day, sir.
Thanks, you too.
So it looks like we got a lot of
I'm not a city guy. I have to be born and bred in the city to go sit in there. I don't like this city. Didn't have ocean. Alright, you got one row left here. Big.
There's a 35 Chevy. Another Corvette. You can pet them.
Oh. Hi, pup.
Dash is very friendly. That's his YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe.
Oh, cool. Oh, good puppy. We got 2 at home.
2 Dalmatians or puppies?
No, just crazy puppies.
Yeah.
I'd rather not hear.
He's crazy too. Well, the trick is to socialize them. You know, you start out
Yep.
somehow, and then you move on and you move up.
Oh, look at that. Hi. Oh, you want to give Noni kisses? Oh, that's nice. Hi, puppy. Oh, getting all the kisses.
Yeah, he likes ears.
Awesome. Thank you. Oh, look at this
How old is
baby.
He's almost 2 years old.
Belly whoops. You want the belly whoops?
Oh.
Yep, easy.
Don't hold his feet, no. Let go. Let go. Oh, he's great.
Yeah.
Good boy. Good boy.
Gonna be in the movie.
So Dakota, what year was this one? A 59 or 60?
60.
60? Gotta love them wings, huh? Yes. No, no, down. Turn around. Turn around. Set.
Oh, wow.
There, Code.
I like your dog.
Thank you. You want to pet him?
Lily, I found a dog. Lily, the dog's over here.
No.
Lily, the dog.
That's a sweet one, huh?
You see what's on the,
That's Dash and Dish.
top?
No jumping. Stop jumping.
How old is
He's just under 2 years old.
he, boy or girl?
Boy.
Come here, Lily. Pet it.
How you doing?
Cool beans.
That's his YouTube channel.
Okay, cool beans.
This way they could say they met him. No. Sit.
Hey, I don't think I've ever met a Dalmatian before. Oh, so cute. Adorable. What's his name?
Try to stay in front of me a little bit, all right? Oh, they got the old speakers too.
Oh, yeah.
Let's do a picture of him in front of the speakers.
I have to go the other way. I don't think your stroll's gonna make it over that.
Yeah, I will.
Here, sit. Sit. Code. Look at Code.
Dash.
Code. Code.
Dash.
Sit.
Look at me.
Sit. Sit.
There we go.
We could screenshot that, right?
What is this?
That's Electra 225, I believe. Buick.
Wow. Talk about a yellow car.
Woo, 57 Chevy, Krager's, 4-door. Small block inner. Pala SS convertible, 67.
We got Impala.
Another Impala convertible. That'd be your regular style.
Why does it look lifted?
Probably because I had a big block in it at one time. Now it's got a small block in it.
Alright.
67 Camaro. They've always been popular for some reason. That's a
Supernova.
rally sport.
Oh,
The
wow.
Camaro is.
Got it.
Another row of Corvettes.
A long row. I think the Corvette Club showed up.
Come here.
All right.
No, down. Turn around. Sit. Sit. All right, ready?
Yep, we're going.
All right, so we had a 1920 Mercer. These here were built right here at Roebling factory. This was the fastest runabout car of its time. They use these predominantly for racing. There's usually another one here that's blue. And take a look around it. Just want to note, the music's not ours. It's not our control to run it. So this is Jim and Kim Ott. So from what I understand, this is owned by somebody that works the Roebling Museum. And
I think there's only about 6 remaining.
6
examples.
remaining.
I think there's only about 6 left, which is pretty impressive.
I find it even more impressive that there's 2 of them that usually show up here.
Yeah, that is amazing.
This is the main reason why I like coming to this show, is because these cars are here.
Oh yeah.
And it's the only time you're really going to get to see them.
There's a car show in Florida, Lakeland, Florida, that has so much, not this.
Right.
They'll never have so much brass.
Yeah, well, there's some things you're only going to see at certain shows.
Exactly. Look at this is gorgeous.
Sure is.
They don't make them like that anymore. And sometimes that's good.
Right. Well, that's why a lot of our main automakers stopped making good cars, because they were lasting too long. Remember the old Dodge Slant 6 and the Dart? All right, so first car here looks like a, I think they're called a Ventura.
I have one.
How you doing?
How you doing, brother? Hey, little
Not
boy.
bad. This looks like one of our judges for today. He's got a clipboard in hand.
That's me, brother. Joe Amici, how you doing?
Sean Curry, how you
Hey,
doing?
Sean.
Nice to meet you. This is Dash and Dash.
Dash and Dash, mine's Lucky 7.
All right, here's his card.
His
That's his
card.
YouTube channel, and you're going to be on it.
My dog's 12 now.
12.
Yeah,
He's just about 2 years old.
I've had 5 of them.
Did you?
Yep.
A lot of energy. We got to always work them. That's why we
love
started doing this.
I love the Dales.
They're awesome breed, but a lot of work. So we do have a Mercer here. Awesome.
That's one of the guys who works in the museum.
In the museum. Okay. There was also a blue one, correct?
Yeah, the other guy has the other one. That's John Roebling's grandson.
Okay. So it's still family.
Oh, it's all family here, yep. Yeah, but this is great.
Yeah, there ain't many Mercers around no more. I think this is the only place I get to see them.
I wish my
So-
dog were this skinny. I wish my dog were this skinny.
Well, it's a lot of running. You watch some of his videos, you see how much we play with him.
Oh, back when mine was 2 and 3. Oh yeah, forget it.
They get
Well,
lazier as they get older. He's our first.
Let me put it to you this way. Around 6 or 7, you're going to see like, I ain't going out today.
Okay. Take care. It's not a Ventura, it's an Apollo. And I think that the letters, they spelled something else. Something with Pontiac, Oldsmobile, and stuff like that. I forget what it was, but somebody turned it on to me years and years ago. There's a 1935 Packard.
Now, wasn't it like pre-40s? They were wooden frames.
Yeah, the frames would be wood in the back. You can usually see them with the rumble seats up.
Oh, the rumble seat is up. That's good.
The Packards, these were handcrafted cars. This is the car that competed with Cadillac in the biggest way. Yeah, this is a Packard.
My buddy.
You might have a fortune for somebody.
It's not mine. My buddy has a Packard and a Pierce, and he rented my garage. And they had a 35 Chevy that he ended up buying, a 35 Chevy. But all the Packard, I got a transmission laying in my garage.
Somebody's looking for those parts.
And it's been in my garage for probably 30, 40 years now.
See that, everybody? The parts are still out there.
Doors. Is this yours?
No.
He's got a
Do you know what this little box here is for on the side?
golf club.
You got it, 100% correct. That's because the rich people would have this, and that was where they stuck their golf club
Why,
bag.
in the car?
It's not mine to give away,
What are you doing? You're a cutie.
but I wouldn't give this car away if I had it either. She is a beauty.
Give your wife away before you give this thing away.
Yeah, and
Yeah,
I'm
you
gonna
can't-
I'm gonna say no comment to that because the wife might watch the video.
You can't really see the wooden frame inside with the rumble seat, but
But this is definitely a nice crafted car. Beautiful hood ornament.
yeah,
All right, and we got some newer Corvettes and
a little bit for everyone.
yeah.
Got a wide body. What is this?
Nice airbrushing under the hood.
Yeah.
Hey, be a gentleman. And this looks like the 63 also, hardtop. Looks like it's all original paint.
Yeah.
It sells a Trans Am. This got factory air, this 63. Look at that. Air conditioning's right there in the bottom of the console. Really beautiful. Yeah, there's the air compressor.
Why? This thing's not working right.
I think that's what, a 77, 78
This isn't working.
Trans Am. Blended paint job on that. Love
Yeah,
the
that's nice.
love the color choices. And he's constantly shining her up, keeping her pretty.
Bugs love the yellow. I don't understand it.
Well, that's because, yes, you may.
On the yellow.
Bugs are attracted to yellow
I guess.
and sweet things. So that means your car's sweet.
You should have brought yours out.
He's got two.
Dalmatian? There you go. That's his channel.
Deduct.
Please like and subscribe.
Thank you.
I like this. I just like,
1940 Buick.
I just like the color on it.
I like how the hood lifts up.
The
Oh,
color.
I got one of these hood ornaments, I think, don't I? Or something real close to it.
Yeah, I'm gonna say you got something real close.
I like this one better. I would drive that.
I like the color on this, if anything. The color
A
just.
lot more to say. Maybe we'll change our minds as we walking through. Coming
Yeah,
up on
couple
more
Corvettes.
Corvettes.
New to the
Chevelles.
old.
So it's a pretty decent turnout with cars.
Yeah.
Looks like we got 1, 2, 3, 4 rows.
All right.
And here's a GT500 KR. That's a
Shelby.
Shelby. Sweet. So you're not going to see stuff like this too often.
Nah.
A little bit of dash in there. Sit. Sit. Good boy. And that's a convertible too.
Hey,
Look at that leather seats there, so even if you were in there doing all your shedding, we could still wipe it out quick. There we go. Let's meet the Shelby owner. It's a nice car to be proud of there. So what do these go for now? About $250,000? I know you're not selling it, but
Prices are all over the board.
yeah,
You see them
I-
from 125, yeah, to 2.5.
Yeah.
So, you know, it all depends. There's a lot of things go into those.
I've seen the 69 Mach 1s, just the 429, 69 4 speeds. They go for 125 in rough shape, you know, because they're so popular. If they got the right numbers, you know.
Yeah,
So I know these Shelby's got to be.
not original, but
Oh, it's not an original Shelby.
yeah, it's a
Oh.
500 KR. But I mean, it's been worked. It's been
Restored.
repainted.
Okay. Well, here's a true story about Carroll Shelby. You probably already know this, but I'm going to go through it anyway. When he first started building the cars, he couldn't sell them worth a damn. He'd put them up in the front room, and after a few weeks of it sitting there and nobody buying one, he took it out and repainted it. And that same car he probably repainted like 7 times until he started getting orders because people thought he was selling them. So they started ordering because, well, he's got a new one in the window. People are liking these things. So this is one truck that'll probably leave my truck on at the traffic light, no problem. A lot of Corvettes at this show.
yeah,
A lot.
that's nice. Not big
It's
fan of the body style of these, but the colors are
mid-70s
nice.
Camaro. That's tubbed out too, roll bar, so he's probably got a nice power plant under that.
That's like the newest of. Yeah, but it's not the fish tank Corvette.
Now this here, this 440, what's this, the Newport? Not sure which model this, Chrysler. This is the New Yorker, Dakota.
Okay.
So
Yeah, right here.
these were the drive-in movie theater cars.
Right there. That explains it all right there.
Right. So this was a drive-in movie theater car. If you took those speakers out, there was room for another 1 or 2 people up there. You could fit about 5, 6 people in this trunk, about 4 people in the back seat, and at least 3 in the front seat. So back in the 70s, the movies were like $3 a carload, $6 a carload. So you'd probably get about 15 of your friends in this car, 10 to 15 people, and get to see the show. It's a 4-door.
4-door, yeah.
Nope.
Got a Corvette.
Nice little Stingray Corvette here, convertible.
Your dog's beautiful.
Thank you. What year is this one? 65 Corvette. You could pet him if you want.
We could pet him.
Yeah, oh yeah, he loves attention.
He's beautiful. Oh, feel how soft his fur is. Hi. How old is this dog?
He's just about 2. That's his YouTube channel. You ever go on YouTube? Yep.
Yeah.
You'll be on it too now.
Thank you. That's beautiful. Thank you. What's his name?
His name is Dash.
Dash.
Dash and Dash. The one channel, you just scan that with your phone, and when it turns yellow on the pictures, you go to your picture setting, and then when it turns yellow, just touch the yellow, bring it right to his channel.
Oh, okay.
And it's called a QR code. I didn't know what they were when I first saw them either, so. But it just brings you right there.
He's gorgeous.
Thank you very much.
Wow.
You have a great day. Ooh, look at the gold on that.
Yeah.
Chevy Apache.
Oh, I agree with you. With something like that.
The Flintstones.
Supercharger there. That
Yeah.
motor. Put a little power plant in that.
This guy's all about
So
the
this
Flintstones.
he likes the Flintstones, but for some odd reason, there's floorboards in this.
All right.
Wow, what a beaut! These ain't too common. This isn't the cameo. It is a cameo. So this is the one that was a fiberglass bed, correct?
Correct. The whole back is fiberglass.
So these are super rare. How many were made? Like 1,300, I think.
2,300.
2,300.
3 years.
Yeah. So if you mess up this tailgate, that's it. It's the only 1 or 2 years they made that tailgate, right? So it's like this is.
Fine, now you're going to pay, but you'll find one.
Well, yeah, I guess with any amount of money, you're going to find what you want. That's true. But this is not a truck you're going to see every day. Very nice. That's Dash's YouTube channels on the back. Please check it out. We'll have your truck on there. You have a great day, guy. Look at that license plate topper, huh?
Yeah, that's nice.
You got that's all original.
Did you see what was going on with the model on the front?
Yeah, he made the car to look like it, or was it
I
modeled
don't
after
know.
his?
But he's got a model of the car. A lot of Corvettes. They might have every year of Corvette here.
Yeah.
Missing the truck back there. That's what they made
Look at a
here.
Chevy toolbox.
Yeah.
Get close on that.
It's got the oil bath air cleaner on this.
It's kind of cool, huh?
Yeah. Now this is what they made here, right? This truck here?
I'm not sure if they made it or if that's a piece of equipment that they used to move the merchandise. They made a lot of heavy stuff here, cable, iron, real heavy products. That's a forklift.
Yeah.
Now I'm sure that thing could lift a lot.
Oh yeah.
So I'm guessing there's a new owner on this, and they're going to change the name around the Mr. Horsepower.
Yeah, we didn't like what it said when we bought it.
That's cool. Maybe give it a little bit of an old school touch with the roughness.
Yeah.
Got to keep Mr. Horsepower though.
Oh yeah.
Oh, we got a Jeep here.
So you got your 7 strands, right, for 7 continents
Yep, so
for the
it's a
grill.
Jeep.
Now, is this a Ford or a Willys?
Well, if it's got the 7, then it's the Willys. If it's got the 10, it's the Ford. Willys.
Yeah, they all said Willys. But even the Ford, the last Ford one that we saw was a fiberglass body. This is definitely a metal body.
Oh yeah.
And then probably on this plate here it says if it was a Ford or not.
Mm-hmm. Well, also it mattered how many stripes are in the front of the grill here. If it had 10, it was a Ford. If it had 7, it was a Willys.
Not 100% on that. I'm pretty sure that's the case.
Well, when we counted the Ford, it had 10. That's how we were able to tell. That has 7.
If anybody else out there knows 100%, please comment below. So this is one of the pouring buckets for pouring the steel. So this will be on the pivot.
Yep.
Probably had a bar on it, and that's what that forklift would have carried. And this would have melted the steel inside. Now we have a great echo in here.
Yep.
Say hello, hello. There, Dash, you want to go up? There you go. You go check that out. That's kind of like a doggy slide. Whee! Want to try again? Come on, you gotta go up. Go up. There you go. Do the doggy slide. Whee! All right, that's enough. Enough fun for you.
We got no Camino here. We're gonna say 80s on this.
Yeah, square headlights probably.
Probably, yeah.
Got a 57 Chevy over here, 4-door.